Hello, let's look at the two ways to separate groups of respondents in one-click survey. The first way is by creating different passwords, and the second way is by creating different survey URLs. Separating respondents is useful if, within one survey, we collect data for 2, 3, 4 or more groups, e.g. companies, that we want to display separately in the analyses. We will show the process of creating two groups of respondents. First, let us see how to separate respondents by creating different passwords. Passwords can be added in the tab Edit, Settings, Respondent Access, under the heading Survey Password. The first group will have the password password1, and the second group will have password2. If we make a mistake, we remove the password by clicking the Remove button. We forward each password to this corresponding group. In this way, respondents will have to enter the assigned password before they start completing the survey. Now let's look at how to separate respondents by creating different URLs for survey completion. Groups with different survey URLs can be created in the Edit, Settings, Groups tab. Here we enter the name of the first group, e.g. Group 1, and click Add. Then enter the name of the second group, e.g. Group 2, and click Add. The groups are listed in the table below, where they can also be removed by clicking on the trash can icon. Each group has its URL linked to the survey, which we forward to the relevant respondents. Under the column Answer Count, we can see how many respondents from a certain group completed the survey. In the Data table, groups and passwords are recorded as variables. In the Analyses tab, we can see the number of respondents with an individual password or from a certain group. If we want to display data only for a specific group, e.g. the second, we can do this with filters using the Conditions option. We create a new profile, select a variable for group or for password, and select Group 2 and Run. The password and group variables can also be used as a condition for displaying certain questions. For example, we can set that only respondents from the second group get a certain question. This was the process of separating groups of respondents in one-click survey.